5 reasons that you're not having the success you're looking for in the stock market. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Courtney with the Flex Financial Investment Group. Just checking in with you guys real quick. Want to do a quick video. Today, I want to talk about 5 reasons that you're not having the success you're looking for in the stock market. So there could be a lot of different reasons that you might have some frustrations of not making the money that you're making in the market. But in my talking with people, and I talk to a lot of people on a daily basis that are looking to get started in the market or are already trading and investing. And these 5 reasons are big reasons why a lot of people don't have the success they're looking for starting out. So one of the things that in order to start to get to the point where you're seeing the success what you're looking for, you got to identify where your problem areas are. And I want to identify these 5 key reasons that a lot of people don't have success. And the first reason, number one, you're not seeing the success you're looking for in the stock market is you're trying to get rich overnight. That is a big thing where a lot of times people that are new to the market, you have a misconception about the market that it is a place where you can make a lot of money very quickly and you can make a ton of money overnight. You can quit your job, you can quit whatever you're doing, become a full-time trader in an instant, and it's that simple, right? Which the market is a very powerful place to put your money in. You can make a ton of money in it very quickly. However, those results aren't typical. Those results don't happen all the time. And sometimes people go about that taking a lot of crazy risks trying to get those get rich overnight results, and it only ends up in failure, right? It ends up losing a ton of money. So that is one big reason that I found that a lot of traders that are new to the market, they get into the market and they expect to make a ton of money very quickly. They start to take on all these crazy risks. They're not doing their homework. They're not doing their research. They're just jumping into trades because they want to make money fast. Right? It is a fast moving marketplace, but you got to be very careful because it's a very risky marketplace and you can lose a ton of money if you're not sure what you're doing. And if you're doing too much to make too much, it usually ends not in a good way, right? It usually ends in losing money. So that is reason number one that you're not having the success you're having that you want to have in the market is you're trying to get rich overnight, okay? Reason number 2 that you're not having the success that you want in the stock market is you're not incorporating long-term investing into your overall strategy, okay? So that kind of goes hand in hand with reason number 1, you're looking to get rich overnight. A lot of people don't want to hear this, but one of the biggest keys and easiest strategies to use to become successful in the stock market is incorporating long-term investing, meaning that you're buying and holding and accumulating more and more shares of companies over time. You're being patient. You're doing your due diligence on the homework, doing your homework and research on companies that you want to put your money into. You're understanding the fundamentals, meaning the financial of the company. You know how the company makes money. You understand the story of the company, and you're making good decisions on where to put your on companies that you're putting your money into, right? That is long-term investing. And our definition in the Flex Financial Investment program is 3 to 5 years is considered long-term, right? So that is a great way to simplify your investing, and it takes a lot of stress off of you when you have a long-term mindset and you're putting your money into companies with the intention that you're going to hold these companies for an extended period of time, meaning you're going to hold for at least 3 to 5 years and long-term invest. So that way, if you see short-term pullbacks where these stocks go down in price, you don't panic, you don't get down in the dumps about it because you're a long-term investor. And if anything, you see that as an opportunity to buy some more shares at a lower price when these stocks do go down. And they will go down from time to time. That's why it's very important to have long-term investing as a part of your overall strategy with what you're doing in the market, okay? So that is strategy number 2, and reason number 2 that you might not have be seeing the success you're looking for in the stock market is you got to have a long-term mindset and incorporate long-term investing, right? If you're not doing that now, you got to do that going forward. Reason number 3 that you might not be seeing the success that you're looking for in the stock market is you're buying shorter dated call options. Okay, you're buying shorter dated options. So options trading has become very, very popular over the last few years, especially with the pandemic. A lot of people stayed at home and they were trading in the market and seeing it as an entertainment thing, and using options to try and make money to trade, right? Which options are a great way to make money in the stock market, but you got to know what you're doing. So option contracts, what a lot of people don't realize is every day that you hold an option contract, they lose value, right? They lose a little bit of value every single day because of something called theta. Theta is time decay. So every day that goes by that you're holding an option contract, that contract loses value. So a lot of times with options contracts, people that are new to options, they're buying shorter dated option contracts because they're less expensive than longer dated options contracts that have more value, right? And they see that as a way to be able to trade in the market with less capital, which it is, but it is a lot more riskier way of trading in the market when you're buying shorter dated options, because those options, again, are on their way to zero very quickly. So if they're not reaching the strike price by the expiration date, then you can eventually lose a lot of your money or all of your money trading options. So they can be very risky when you don't understand how they work. And I've seen time and time again, people lose a ton of money by buying these shorter dated options and the stock not making the move they thought it was going to make. They don't sell out quick enough. They don't cut their losses, and they end up losing a ton of money, if not all their money. So that is number 3 reason that I've found so far in the market is people are buying a lot of shorter dated options. They're losing a ton of money, especially in this market where the market is in a declining market. You're buying call options and it's not making the move you thought, then that's a great way to lose a ton of money. So one way to combat that is to learn leaps options, which we do a lot of leaps option trading in our Flex Financial Investment Group program. We do leaps options trading, which are options that expire a year further out. And that is a great way to get time on your side. So that way that theta, that time decay, isn't eating at the value of those option contracts. Just because you're buying longer dated options doesn't mean you got to hold them long term, right? You can short term trade them. But again, it's all about having risk on your side and putting yourself in better position where you're preserving your capital. That's the name of the game. And a key way to be successful in the market is preserving your capital and finding ways to get risk on your side. So that is reason number 3. You might not be having a success in the market. You're buying and trading shorter dated call options. Shift that, look at leaps options and consider doing that, and that will help you to trade and invest in a more risk averse way. The 4th reason that you might not be seeing the success that you want in the stock market is because you're not using the right strategies based on the market conditions. So a lot of times people don't understand the market is constantly changing. Every day is a different day in the stock market. The market goes in different trends. So certain strategies that you use one day might not work the next day. Okay, so it's very important to be able to have an arsenal of strategies, right? A kind of a toolkit of strategies that you can pull out depending on whatever the market is doing. So just because the market is doing one thing another day doesn't mean that same thing and that same strategy is going to work the next day. You got to be able to go into your tool bag or your trading arsenal and be able to pull out the right strategies to capitalize on whatever the market is doing at that time, right? So a lot of times people that are new to the market with traders, you start to become a one-trick pony where you only have one strategy that works and you try to force that strategy on any type of market and you end up losing money. Then you don't understand why is it working, because it worked this day, why isn't it working this day? That's because the market is constantly changing. You got to know, you got to have the right strategies, number 1, and you got to know when to use the right strategies depending on the market condition. Okay, that is a big key to being successful in the market. And that is a sign of a true skillful trader is someone that knows how to make money no matter the market conditions, people that a trader or investor that doesn't panic because they can pull out the right strategy that meets the market condition and continue making money. That is a big sign, a very important sign of a skilled trader. It's something that you need to be successful in the market. You got to have that. And then the fifth overall reason you might not be seeing the success that you're looking for in the stock market is you don't have a coach or a mentor. All right. That is a big part of being successful in the market, along with all the other points that I've made today. Is coaching and mentorship is key. No matter the industry you're in, whether you're in real estate, stock market, business, running your own business, having a coach, having a mentor, it can be the X factor. It can be the differentiator between you and success. Having someone that's been there, that's done that, that's already at the success level that you want to reach, and can show you how they did it. Not only that, help you avoid pitfalls that maybe they went through from their experience to get you on the fast track to success. That is a big key to being successful in whatever you're doing, and especially when it comes to the stock market. I have my fair share of coaches and mentors in the stock market. I still keep in touch with one of my mentors to this very day. Very important in my success that I've had over the years. And now I've been blessed to be able to give back and be a coach and mentor to other people that are learning and helping them to get to where they want to be. And hopefully one day they'll be able to do the same, right? So coaching and mentorship is key to being successful in the market. If you don't have a coach or mentor, you got to start to take steps to finding someone that has success, that has experience that you can learn from, and that you can duplicate their success in the market to get you where you want to be. So that is reason number 5, and that is a big reason that you might not be seeing the success that you're looking for in the market. You got to have a coach. You got to have mentorship. So to recap, number 1, you're probably trying to get rich overnight. You got to be able to be patient. Don't take on a lot of crazy risks and have a lot of activity in the market swinging for the fences. That's the easy way to lose a ton of money in the stock market. Number 2, you're not incorporating long-term investing into your overall trading strategy. That is a very important aspect of being successful in the market. It's having a long-term mindset, knowing how to put your money into great companies and quality companies, and being patient and letting your money grow over time. It's a simple strategy, but one of the most effective strategies that's out there in the marketplace. Number 3, you're probably trying to buy and trade shorter dated options contracts, right? Option contracts lose value on a daily basis, and that's an easy way to lose a ton of money in the stock market if you are trying to buy and trade shorter dated options, all right? Number 4, you're not using the right strategies based on the right market conditions. You got to develop your trading skill set and learn strategies that meet different market conditions, because the market is constantly changing. And number 5, and most importantly, find a coach, find a mentor that's been there and done that you can learn from, and you can duplicate their success, and they can help you along the way. Okay, that is key. So those are the 5 reasons you might not be seeing the success you're looking for in the stock market. If you need help with any of those areas, then you're in the right place. That's what the Flex Financial Investment Group is all about. We do regular calls with people that are interested in our program, so you can schedule a call with us. Feel free. I'll put the link here in this post. Click that link, go to our calendar, schedule a call that works for you. We'll jump on, we'll talk about whatever questions that you have about what we do, talk about how we can help you, and see if we can get you on the fast track to being successful in the stock market, all right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're on YouTube, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're working on growing our YouTube channel. And if you guys found this video helpful, definitely appreciate your support. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're going to stay consistent, uploading some videos to you guys and some great content. We're going to keep on working on that. Thank you guys for tuning in today. We'll catch you guys on the next video. You guys have a good one.